I cancelled my ChatGPT Plus subscription 30 days ago, not because I wanted to save $20, but because I found something better. Actually, 5 things better. And they're all completely free. In the last month, I've tested these tools side by side with ChatGPT Plus on real projects, and honestly, I don't miss my subscription at all. If you're still paying $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus, this video might save you $240 this year. Look, I was a ChatGPT Plus loyalist. I defended that subscription to everyone. The speed, the priority access during peak times, GPT-4's capabilities, it all seemed worth it. But here's what nobody's talking about in the AI space right now. The free alternatives have caught up, and in many cases, they've actually surpassed ChatGPT Plus in specific use cases. The key word there is specific. ChatGPT Plus tries to be good at everything. These 5 tools I'm about to show you are each exceptional at one thing, and when you combine them strategically, you end up with a toolkit that's more powerful than ChatGPT Plus, more specialized, and costs you absolutely nothing. Now, before we dive in, let me be clear about something. This isn't clickbait nonsense. I genuinely used ChatGPT Plus for 8 months. I've run these comparisons on real work projects, coding, content creation, research, analysis. I'm not just reading spec sheets here. These tools have legitimately replaced my ChatGPT Plus workflow, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Also, ChatGPT Plus isn't bad. If you want one subscription that does everything pretty well, it's still a solid choice. But if you want the absolute best performance for specific tasks, and you're willing to use multiple tools, what I'm about to show you is significantly better. Let's get into it. First up, DeepSeek for coding and mathematics. This literally just dropped in the last few weeks, and the AI community is going crazy over it. Here's why. DeepSeek is achieving 96% accuracy on advanced mathematics problems that stump most AI models. It scored gold medal performance on the International Mathematical Olympiad. Let that sink in. This free tool is performing at world championship level in mathematics. For coding, it has a Codeforces rating of 2386, which puts it in competitive programmer territory. I've been using it for debugging complex code, writing algorithms, and solving technical problems. The quality of code it generates is cleaner and more efficient than what I was getting from GPT-4. But here's the real kicker. You can run DeepSeek locally on your own machine if you want complete privacy. No data sent to servers, no usage limits, completely free. For any coding project, algorithm design, or mathematical problem solving, DeepSeek has become my absolute first choice. ChatGPT Plus simply cannot match this level of technical performance, especially not at $20 a month. Number 2, Claude Sonnet for writing and deep analysis. Anthropic's free tier gives you access to Claude Sonnet, and I'm going to make a controversial statement here. It writes better than GPT-4, not just different, but genuinely better for most writing tasks. The prose is more natural, the tone is more sophisticated, and it understands nuance in a way that GPT-4 sometimes misses. I've tested this extensively on everything from blog posts to technical documentation to creative writing. Claude consistently produces content that needs less editing. The context window is massive too. We're talking about 100,000 tokens in the free tier. That means you can feed it entire documents, long conversations, or complex projects without it losing track. For long-form content creation, research paper analysis, or when you need an AI that truly understands context, Claude is superior. I've been using it for YouTube scripts like this one, email writing, content strategy, and complex analytical tasks. The output quality is consistently better than what I was getting from ChatGPT Plus. And here's the thing. Anthropic keeps updating Claude, making it smarter while you're paying nothing. Third, Gemini 2.0 Flash for deep research. Google just released this, and the deep research feature is absolutely game-changing. This is what ChatGPT Plus browsing wishes it could be. Here's how it works. You give it a research topic, and Gemini automatically searches multiple sources, reads through articles, synthesizes information from different perspectives, and generates a comprehensive research report with citations. What used to take me 30 to 40 minutes of manual research now happens in literally 30 seconds. I tested this on everything from market research to technical comparisons to competitive analysis. The reports it generates are thorough, well-sourced, and actually useful. ChatGPT Plus browsing feels clunky and slow by comparison. It searches one thing at a time, often gives you outdated information, and doesn't synthesize sources nearly as well. For anyone doing research, market analysis, competitor research, or academic work, Gemini 2.0 Flash is an absolute game changer, and again, completely free in the standard tier. Number 4. Perplexity for real-time search and instant answers. If you've tried ChatGPT Plus's browsing feature, you know it's hit or miss. Sometimes it works great. Often it's frustratingly slow or gives you information from months ago. Perplexity solves this completely. It's built from the ground up as an AI-powered search engine. Every answer comes with cited sources, links to the original content, and real-time information. The interface is cleaner, the responses are faster, and the accuracy is consistently better. I use Perplexity for quick fact-checking, current events, finding specific information, and when I need answers with verifiable sources. The free tier is surprisingly generous. You get plenty of searches per day, and for most people, you'll never hit the limit. This has completely replaced my use of ChatGPT Plus for any search or research-related queries. It's simply better at this specific task. And finally, Napkin AI for visual creation and diagrams. Now, ChatGPT Plus can't create visuals natively unless you're using DALL-E, and that's only for images, not diagrams or infographics. Napkin AI fills this gap beautifully. You describe what you want: a process flow, an infographic, a diagram, a visual explanation of a concept, and Napkin generates professional-looking visuals instantly. The quality is impressive, the customization options are solid, and it's saved me countless hours that I used to spend in Canva or Figma. I've used it for presentation slides, social media graphics, explaining complex concepts visually, and creating thumbnails. For anyone who needs to turn ideas into visuals quickly, this tool is invaluable. And you guessed it, the free tier is more than enough for regular use. So here's my complete system now, and this is what's replaced my ChatGPT Plus subscription: DeepSeek for any coding or mathematical tasks, Claude Sonnet for all my writing, content creation, and deep analysis work, Gemini 2.0 Flash when I need comprehensive research on any topic, Perplexity for quick answers and fact-checking with sources, and Napkin AI when I need to create any kind of visual content. That's 5 specialized tools, each one best in class for its specific purpose, each one outperforming ChatGPT Plus in its domain. Total monthly cost, $0. What I was paying before, $20 a month, or $240 a year. Now, let me give you the honest counter-argument. ChatGPT Plus still has some advantages. It's one subscription, one interface, one place for everything. If convenience and simplicity matter more to you than peak performance, ChatGPT Plus makes sense. If you're not tech-savvy and don't want to juggle multiple tools, stick with ChatGPT Plus. But if you want the absolute best performance, if you're willing to learn 5 tools instead of 1, and if you want to save $240 a year, this free toolkit absolutely destroys ChatGPT Plus. I've been using this system for 30 days, and I genuinely don't miss my subscription at all. All 5 tools are linked in the description below with setup guides. I want you to try them for yourself. Use DeepSeek on a coding problem, ask Claude to write something, let Gemini research a topic, search something on Perplexity, create a visual in Napkin, then come back and tell me if you're keeping your ChatGPT Plus subscription. Drop a comment with which tool surprised you the most. If you're still Team ChatGPT Plus, tell me why. I'm genuinely curious what I might be missing. Hit that subscribe button for more AI tool breakdowns that actually save you money, and I'll see you in the next video.